Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we learn about accessibility in system preferences next to users and groups. In accessibilities features adapt your Mac to your individual needs. Your Mac can be customized to support your vision, hearing, physical, motor, learning, and literacy requirements. So in VN section, first of all, voiceover. You can enable voiceover by using this tab. Just check this mark. Same, you can voiceover off from this checkbox. And if you want to use or if you want to get voiceover training, just open voiceover training. So here how can control voiceover and use voiceover training. Next to zoom, you can use keyboard shortcut to zoom. For example, I'm going to check zoom but feature, and toggle zoom need to command option command 8, and toggle zoom will work. Here is the gesture, which special key you want to use for zoom. I'm going to control, and when you press control and with two fingers, zoom will be in out. Just press control button from your keyboard and from your trackpad, move two fingers to up to down. Here is zoom style. Picture in picture will be like this. Split screen will be like this. And last one, full screen. Full screen will be like this. So this is the zoom related duties. Enable hover text. If you want to see the highlighted text in hover, just enable and move your cursor. Press the command button from your keyboard and keep pressing, and move your cursor to the text you want to zoom. But keep in mind, you need to press command button from your keyboard. And if your Mac has touch bar, you can enable touch bar zoom from this option. Same display. This related to display. Invert colors will be changed. Your system display. Pointer color, pointer style, pointer size. You can control pointer from this panel. Spoken content. Which content you want to use. Fred Alex, English style, UK, South Africa, US, which style you want to use, and you can get demonstration from play button. And also you can control speaking rate, fast, slow. Fast will be like this, and also you can control volume from this tab. Same, you can use use speak announcement. If your Mac has receive any notification, then you will listen a sound. Here is descriptions. Play audio description when available. In hearing section, first is audio. You can flash the screen when sound occur, and play stereo audio as Momo. Will be left or right. RTT, you can enable RTT from this panel. Here's the caption. Will be like subtitle style, classic large outline text, and you can create your own customized subtitle style. In motor section, voice control, enable voice control. The voice control icon will be on your screen and your Mac will be receive your voice and control your Mac. For example, I just enable voice control and move my cursor to this section and I'm instructing the Mac click. Just like that. I'm going to move my cursor. I'm instructing my Mac click, and you can control your Mac by using your voice. Just you need to enable, and you can set language, microphone, and overlay. Show hint will be the hint. For example, I'm instructing Mac open, it will be asked what you want to open, so you can control show hint option from here. Play sound. When command recognize open, it is not recognizing. For example, I'm going to this one, click, sound will be occurred. Here is the keyboard related queries. You can use virtual keyboard by using this tab. If your physical keyboard is not working or you want to use logical keyboard, you need to turn on logical keyboard from this panel. Navigation, you can use special character to control your Mac by using keyboard. If your trackpad or mousepad is not working and you don't want to use the trackpad. Pointer control, here is the pointer and trackpad. Speed control, enable mouse keys. For example, your trackpad or mouse is not working and you want to control your Mac by using your keyboard. You just need to enable this option and press 7 for left, 8 for up, and 9 for right side. From your keyboard, the cursor will be the move. Enable head pointer. You can control or move your pointer by using your head. Maybe your Mac front camera will be on, and when you move your head, the cursor will be moved. For example, I'm moving my head down, left, right, up. So this is the way you can move your cursor by using your head. Switch control. If you want to enable switch control, you just need to enable switch control tab, check this box, and switch control will be enabled. Last one, general, Siri and shortcut. Siri, if you want to instruct your Mac by using Siri, then enable Siri from this tab. The Siri will be the type when you speak. Shortcuts, these shortcuts are in this tab. These are all shortcuts.